MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional furnace blower motor repair in Pottstown, PA, helping ensure your heating system delivers consistent airflow and reliable performance. The blower motor is a critical component that circulates warm air throughout your home or business, and when it fails, you may experience weak airflow, unusual noises, or uneven heating. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose blower motor issues and perform dependable repairs using quality parts and proven techniques. We service all major furnace brands and focus on restoring efficiency and comfort. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert furnace blower motor repair in Pottstown, PA, and dependable heating all winter long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a furnace blower motor repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides furnace blower motor repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional furnace blower motor repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing heating system airflow issues. What does a furnace blower motor do? A furnace blower motor is responsible for moving heated air from the furnace through your home's ductwork and into individual rooms. What is your furnace blower motor repair in Pottstown, PA? Our furnace blower motor repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.